Pop quiz. Which one of these 3 foods is allowed in a keto diet? Number 1, cinnamon waffles with coconut glaze. Number 2, chocolate pancakes with raspberry chia jam. Or number 3, smoked salmon and scrambled eggs. Most men and women here choose recipe number 3, smoked salmon and scrambled eggs, but actually they'd be totally wrong. The correct answer is all 3 recipes are 100% keto friendly. I know, it's a bit of a trick question, but the reason I gave it is because most men and women believe that with keto, they have to give up their favorite breakfast foods like pancakes, waffles, donuts, and muffins, and that's simply not true. You see, the keto diet is a tool that's so powerful for reaching health goals. It's used by dozens of celebrities, and it's been featured on The Today Show, Woman's World, Us Weekly, and Women's Health. But when it comes to breakfast, most believe that they can only eat plain old eggs, bacon, and avocado. That's why my team and I decided to come up with recipes for muffins, French toast, donuts, cakes, granola, oatmeal, hash browns, and more that are both tasty and 100% keto friendly. That way, men and women can enjoy their favorite breakfast foods and still support a healthy keto diet. Hi, my name's Kelsey, and I'm a certified nutritional therapist with PaleoHacks, a leading health food cookbook company. I'm also the author of 2 best-selling cookbooks, Keto Sweets and Paleo Sweets, which have sold over 400,000 copies combined. Together, we've helped more than 400,000 men and women in over 26 different countries transform their lives with healthy, delicious food. And today, we're revealing our most mouthwatering creation yet. It's called the Keto Breakfast Cookbook, and it's got 80 different recipes for waffles, pancakes, smoothies, granola, oatmeal, cakes, French toast, bagels, donuts, muffins, and more. The best part is, every single recipe is low carb and 100% keto friendly. That way, men and women can eat their favorite breakfast foods without guilt and without ruining their keto diet. Just imagine eating pancakes, waffles, and other delicious breakfast foods while still supporting a healthy state of ketosis. It makes achieving a dream health goal that much more possible. And how wonderful would it be to slip into a favorite dress size or to stun friends and family with a new look? How incredible would it feel to look at the scale one morning and have a dream number appear? With the power of keto, it's totally possible. You see, years ago, I was sick, bloated, and a total mess. In my early 20s, I was a vegetarian, and I thought I was being healthy by avoiding meat, but I was still eating a lot of sugary and fried foods, and my carb addiction was so bad that it sent me to the hospital one night. I was on my way to night classes, and as I got up to get out of my car, I felt a really sharp pain in my stomach, and at that point, my digestive system was in such a mess that I'd only had watermelon and aloe juice for 3 days. They rushed me to the hospital, and here's the crazy part. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with me. So I decided to forge my own path with my health. And that's what eventually led me to become a certified nutritional therapist and discover the power of keto. When I discovered the power of all natural, healthy foods, my digestive problems finally went away and I began to feel like myself again. That's why we created the Keto Breakfast Cookbook. Because breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. Eating breakfast tells the body there's plenty of food to be had for the day so that it can start burning food for energy, while skipping breakfast tells the body it needs to conserve rather than burn any incoming food. In other words, breakfast jumpstarts the metabolism. Yet, in most keto diets, breakfasts are boring. To stay in ketosis, men and women have to stay away from carb-rich breakfast foods like breads, waffles, and pancakes, which means they're stuck eating plain old eggs, bacon, and avocado every morning. And that can get stale pretty quickly, which can lead to cravings, and we all know how dangerous those are for a diet. That's why we created low-carb keto versions of breakfast favorites, so men and women can enjoy tasty, healthy starts to their days and still stay on target with their keto diet. These recipes substitute keto-friendly ingredients for the normal carb-filled ones, like almond flour or coconut flour for white flour, and stevia or monk fruit powder for processed sugar. We've tested the amounts and the recipe steps until we got the recipes tasting just like the originals, and then we packed 80 of our favorite recipes inside the brand new Keto Breakfast Cookbook. Inside, there are 6 recipes for pancakes and waffles like blueberry pancakes, almond flour lemon pancakes, and waffles with maple bacon butter. 5 recipes for fritters and hash browns like cinnamon blueberry fritters, zucchini fritters, and crispy cauliflower hash browns. 6 muffins and donut recipes like cacao donuts, orange cardamom muffins with coconut butter glaze, and sweet potato scones coated in cinnamon sugar. Don't those just look delicious? And that's just the beginning. There are also 8 recipes for keto granola and oatmeal like breakfast granola bars, low-carb oatmeal, and coconut porridge. 9 recipes for breads, toast, and cake like blueberry, plain, and everything bagels, French toast, and blueberry lemon cake. Of course, we've also included some spiced up versions of keto staples. For example, we've got 10 egg dishes like roasted pepper and sausage omelets, egg muffins with bacon and spinach, kale and mushroom ghee frittata, and cauliflower eggs benedict. 10 meat and bacon dishes like breakfast burritos with bacon and avocado, bacon fat bombs, low-carb quiches with pork crust, crispy garlic kale and bacon stir fry, and turkey and egg breakfast skillets. 8 avocado dishes like egg burgers with bacon and avocado breakfast bowls, and deviled avocado boats. Frankly, we could have stopped there and we would have had an amazing keto cookbook we were proud of, but we weren't finished. We wanted to go above and beyond so men and women can finally have as many choices for tasty keto breakfast foods as they need to not get bored. That's why we even included 10 recipes for breakfast drinks like golden milk latte, chocolate frosties, blueberry coconut smoothies, Mexican hot chocolate, and chocolate almond butter milkshakes. And there's 10 recipes for syrups, jams, and sauces like raspberry chia jam, keto Nutella, keto ketchup, blueberry pancake syrup, and dairy-free coconut yogurt. And these are perfect for putting on your keto toast, waffles, pancakes, and bagels. In total, the Keto Breakfast Cookbook has 80 recipes, and every single one is easy, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require standing for hours in the kitchen. On top of that, each one is 100% keto-friendly, with their macronutrient counts listed, which means they're low-carb and support a healthy state of ketosis. Just imagine, with these recipes, anyone can have delicious breakfast foods and slide into powerful ketosis right at the start of the day, which means it's like a diet where food lovers don't have to give up their favorite breakfast foods. There's no hunger involved, no calorie counting, and no intense exercise involved. All men and women have to do is eat the keto versions of their favorite foods, and achieving their health goals is totally possible. How wonderful would it be to watch the numbers on the scale drop lower and lower day by day, to hit a health dream goal, or to fit into an amazing new outfit? How wonderful would it be to watch the body transform, to stun friends and family with a new look, or to look in the mirror and smile at the reflection? With the power of keto, achieving health goals is finally possible, and the Keto Breakfast Cookbook is the perfect place to start. For our grand opening, we've got 500 copies of the Keto Breakfast Cookbook available today. And trust me, these will go quickly. Once we sell out, we'll have to take this page down and the buttons at the bottom of this page will stop working. So I recommend to anyone that's interested, take a look below this video to learn more about the Keto Breakfast Cookbook. And then click the button at the bottom of this page to grab a copy today. There's a secure checkout page to put in the order information, which will be protected by a 32-bit encryption. Then we'll send out a beautiful physical copy of the Keto Breakfast Cookbook in the mail, and it should arrive in about 3 to 5 business days. When it arrives, feel free to start trying the recipes immediately. It should fit on your kitchen counter right next to your other favorite cookbooks. Of course, we'll also send you a digital copy that you can open and try immediately. That way there's no wait for trying some of these recipes out. And as always, here at PaleoHacks, every order is protected by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Anyone can grab the Keto Breakfast Cookbook and try the recipes out for a full 60 days, and if they're unsatisfied, for any reason at all, just send us an email at support@paleohacks.com and we'll refund every cent with no hard feelings. You'll even get to keep your copy of the cookbook, which means there's absolutely no risk to giving the Keto Breakfast Cookbook a try. So go ahead and click the button at the bottom of this page and get started. Start the days off with cheesy breakfast muffins, chocolate mug cake, or crispy cauliflower waffles. Or try more traditional keto staples like a prosciutto-wrapped avocado egg, kale and mushroom sausage patties, or a chicken BLT salad. There are dozens and dozens of amazing recipes to choose from. Just imagine eating breakfast favorites like waffles, pancakes, French toast, drizzling them with syrup, and having it all be keto friendly. With this breakfast cookbook, harnessing the power of keto can be a lot tastier and easier. And with these 80 breakfast recipes, anyone could have their own keto success story. Just imagine looking and feeling better than ever, having old clothes no longer fit and having to buy new ones, or hitting a dream health goal and celebrating. I'm here to say today, it's absolutely possible. Remember, every order of the Keto Breakfast Cookbook is covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Anyone who's not satisfied for any reason at all can just send us an email for a full refund, and they even get to keep the cookbook, which means there's absolutely nothing to lose and a wonderful new keto transformation to gain. I urge anyone who's excited about this new cookbook to hurry because we've only got 500 copies available today, and thousands of men and women are seeing this page, so trust me, these copies won't last long. So go ahead and click the button at the bottom of this page to secure your copy today, because keto is one of the most powerful ways for men and women to reach their health goals without calorie counting, hunger, or intense exercise. And the Keto Breakfast Cookbook is the perfect place for a beginner to start. Just picture it. With this cookbook, men and women can now enjoy their favorite breakfast foods like waffles, pancakes, donuts, and more, drizzled in blueberry syrup, and still be on course with a healthy keto diet. How great is that? It's one of the few cookbooks in the world that makes this possible, and anyone can grab a copy for absolutely no risk as long as they take action before the 500 copies run out. So go ahead and click the button at the bottom of this page to secure a copy today, or read on below this video to learn more. Either way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.